Hello everyone and welcome back to the Urban Nerd. Today we'll be focusing on styles. We're going to clean up this background color, font size, whatever, and make it a little bit neater. So after a long debate I had with myself, I was just going to essentially go off of the text screen, and you can if you want to, but I'm just going to create another screen under file, or another view under screens, where we're going to pretty much copy the text file and mess with styles. Just going to call this styles.js, and let's go back into the app, and we're going to add the style screen also to our navigator. So import style screen from screens.styles. Add it again down here. Style screen, style st. And there's just one of those words you keep looking at and it just doesn't look like it's spelled right. st. Because it's not. Style screen. I'll leave that in there. Everyone makes mistakes, you know. No point in editing it out. Alright. So let's go and copy our text.js and toss it inside of our style screen. Our class is going to be styles screen, typed correctly this time, and export default styles screen. So we can also go back into our master screen and change the name to style examples, and path is going to be style screen. Save that, and let's go back to styles. So underneath our export, actually first we're going to need to import our style sheet, which is just going to be style sheet from React Native. And then underneath export default style screen, we're going to create a constant styles. So const styles equals style sheet, and we're going to create a new one. So inside of here is going to be all of our different styles. It's pretty much going to look very similar to HTML because this is essentially an HTML templating engine that's cross-platform. So let's first focus on this background color right here. We're just going to take this and cut it, and we're going to say first text and paste it inside. You can move it to a different line. Just make it neater, and of course prettier has a problem with how I format it. There we go, now we're all happy. So in our style now, we can remove the second set of curly braces. We're still going to need the first set, and we can type in styles to reference the constant styles we just created, and first text, just like that. And we can give it a save, and let's just run our app. Style examples is here. Has not changed. Awesome. So once again, it's going to be a pretty short video, but just to really get the styles to stick with you, let's create a style for our second text. And we're going to freehand this one. So it's going to be a font size of 24. And there's prettier complaining again. Take out font size 24, and we're going to reference our styles.secondText. And save it, refresh it. Okay, I forgot font size. Maybe prettier was right, but I will not give it the benefit of the doubt. Bam, hasn't changed. So I'm just going to continue going down. Our third text is going to be a margin of 10. And then our fourth text is going to be right justified. Let's make prettier happy. Get rid of all this red. Just makes it look like errors. Change this to reference our styles.thirdText and styles.fourthText. Refresh the page, and has not changed. It is exactly the same, and just it looks exactly the same. So we're gonna change the title to style examples page, and let's add some other styles as well. So third text is also gonna have a font size of 36. Second text is going to have a color of some random hex. Yeah, it's going to make a great looking color. Fourth, besides it being right justified, we are also going to add in some, so we can do font, style, and italic. And let's also make it bold too. We're going to save it. Let's refresh it. Styles example. Beautiful. Actually is a pretty cool color for just guessing. So like I said, very short video. Styles have just cleaned this up, so now we don't have, Prettier underlined it, but we just have styles.firstText, so on, and all our styles are down here. So now we can reuse things like we do in CSS, change the fourth text to style as the first text, refresh the page, and it is exactly the same. We're just going to undo that though. So that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe so I know to make more videos like this if you like it. I'll see you in the next one.